Superfici America's Testing Lab is a hands-on technology center where customers and industry professionals can experience the power and precision of automated finishing in a true, real-world production environment. Featuring more than 20 advanced machines and North America's only complete flatline solution available for testing, the lab allows customers to evaluate equipment, run their own products, and refine coatings and finishing recipes before making a purchase. After installation, teams can return to train operators and further optimize processes with guidance from Superfici America's experts. The lab is also open to industry professionals, including coating manufacturers, equipment suppliers, and distributors who want to test and validate their products on fully automated finishing equipment. A visit to the Superfici America Testing Lab provides unmatched hands-on experience, collaboration, and confidence that your finishing process is built for quality, efficiency, and long-term success.